So this is my video testimonial for my RepairPartsPlus.com. They hooked me up. I had dropped my phone, shattered the screen. It was still functional, but it was shattered. And I went to initially go do an insurance claim through my cell phone provider. And once I did the insurance claim, my deductible was $175. A buddy, I was just about to do it. I was about to pay him $175. And I was complaining about it to a buddy, and he was like, man, you could get a replacement phone screen through like one of those places like Amazon or something like that. And I was like, oh, word? So I had hit it up, and I got an iPhone 7 Plus. And they only wanted $35, all the tools, the screen, and repair video for $35. I said, man, what's the catch? So I had like reviewed them, and they hooked me up. They sent it to me. They had it to me within a week after I bought it. Came with all the parts, came with the screen, the tutorial video. So the only problem was that I had to go watch the iPhone 7 to see how to initially break the stuff down to get into the phone. That was more thorough and in depth than on the iPhone 7 Plus. So I just had to go to the iPhone 7, see how to, take the couple components out, get the screen off, and then I went back to the iPhone 7 Plus, and it walked me through how to do everything in regards to an iPhone 7 Plus. Shoot, man, I had that thing done hour, $35, saved me $140. You should do it. You should mess with them.